Kaveke kwa hapo kwenye group anakuja pia kutia ndani na pia kuongelesha jia mavazi. Unaona hapa leo Shifalia amechange hapa style yake. Amekuja hebu turn nyuma wa kucheki.
Yes, ndio angalia
design hapa hivi ya porcupine.
You're giving African touch to some good trendy blazers, ndio?
Yes.
So probably just a little bit about that.
Yeah, so he's going to explain that, but I want us to start cooking, and then while he's getting ready, we're going to touch base with
fantastic. So here we are making some drop cones, right?
Drop cones.
Yes, drop cones. And the difference, of course, with the drop cones and the normal pancakes is that this has a bit of some baking powder and it's a bit thicker. Alright, we're going to run the ingredients up on the screen. You're going to see that. So it's going to be like, of course, almost the same thing as pancakes, but then this is a bit thicker, and you know, it's more of like, you know, making a thicker version of a pancake, but then they're called drop scones. Unaweza kuipata ukienda Ngong Hills Hotel.
Nilikuwa nakula sana drop scones. Mama wangu alikuwa anazipika sana.
Okay. Alright, so you want it to be like small, a bit smaller than the pancake, or like really very, very small?
Very small.
And then you want to turn it, but ikiwa imeshikana kwa vizuri. And then of course you can probably serve this with some fruits and you know,
some syrup,
chocolate syrup. You can do maple syrup, you know, just get fancy.
Yeah.
That's the whole thing. Nice, look at that. Turn it. Good.
So this is different from pancakes?
Yes, this has a bit of some baking powder. Pancakes normally haina baking powder.
And it's very thick.
Yeah, na inakuwa iko thick zaidi.
Okay.
The mixture is normally really thick. Alright, as that is happening, I think we can just start presenting. As of course you can go ahead.
Right, so tuambie hapo Shefali leo. Asante sana. Jamaa anakujanga hapa na vitu zingine. I'm kidding. Shefali leo at least what is the different touch that you put yourself? The different touch yenye unaweka kwenye nguo.
I think the most important thing to notice about a man's suit or jacket is the small fine details, and that is my emphasis for what I design for men, is to give that distinct difference, because a jacket is a jacket, but what separates Kaveke's jacket from another jacket? So mine is about the small fine details, the change of color of buttons, a little ankara.
Sasa hii tumeka porcupine
kama mfano hii yake sijui umetoa wapi hiyo porcupine, lakini
na ni vile ndio kuna nywele mingi huku, sasa nikiendelea hivi na kaka ni extension ya nywele
yake kidogo tu imeko tu ile ankara kidogo. Ndio just to give it ile personality, isije ikakuwa just a regular jacket. Na pia because ukiangalia kwa mfano most of the men's jackets are usually very plain and simple. But why have plain and simple when you can have a little bit more? Same thing as food. Why just put one or two spices when you have a variety of spices to spice up food? So it's the same thing. My jackets speak volumes through small words. Same thing as good food.
Kama huyu hapa hivi different colors. Mkono
all over, inside. Ndio.
Siko nimeona ndani ba.
Yes, you get that African touch. On the inside. Normally, what's the idea having it inside? Probably, John.
I think for me, why I put emphasis on the jacket to have detail inside is the fact that a jacket should look good both worn and hanged. That is the story. You can't have a boring jacket. The moment you leave, you drop it and put it on your table, on your jacket hanger. It still has to have character. When somebody passes, so for example, I'm pocketing and having a conversation. If somebody is keen on detail, they will notice. And that is what it is about.
Okay, very good. So, men of details, in your design on the move. Now it's time to eat, of course, much about the style and fashion.
So hapa kuna detail hapa.
Yes, kuna detail hapa pia kuna fashion. Unaona kama
kwa nikwambie kuna fashion hapa hivi. Hebu icheki mtazamaji, kama unavyoangalia hapa kwenye runinga ni kwamba tuko na details na tuko na fashion hapa kwenye fashion. Unaona hiyo plan itaenda kuanguka.
Hapa yangu
hivi. Na sijaonja.
Unaona? Yes, you got that? All
right. So we're going to toss it over back to the other side. We still have some more segments.